Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to enable Robinhood automatic divide and reinvestment. So here's a simple, straight and a step-by-step guide on how you can easily enable the Robinhood automatic divide and reinvestment. So if you want to enable it using your mobile app, it's quite simple. Just open the app and log in into your account on your phone. Then tap the account icon, which is the person icon in the bottom right corner. Then select investing from the menu. Then scroll down and tap divide and reinvestment, which is DRIP drip. Then turn on the reinvestment divide and toggle. Then renew the information and tap confirm to activate it. Then if you want to enable it using the Robinhood website, just go to your launch your browser, then type in the URL, which is robinhood.com, and log in into your account. Very important. Then click the profile icon in the top right corner. Then select the settings, then choose the investing. Make sure you choose the investing option. Then find the divide and investment, which is the DRIP, and click enable. So once you click it, confirm your choice to turn on the automatic divide and reinvestment, and that's it. So once enabled, Robinhood will automatically use your divide end to buy more shares of the same stock or ETFs, and that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more guide.